Kylie Padilla, may hugot sa pagiging single. Hiwalay na sa non-showbiz boyfriend? Single na ba ulit ang actress na si Kylie Padilla? Yan ang tanong ng marami matapos ang magkakasunod na cryptic post ng celebrity mom na mababasa sa threads. Nagsimula ang usap-usapang hiwalay na sila ng non-showbiz boyfriend nang ihayag niya sa isang post kung bakit siya nagtatagal sa isang relasyon. Ito ang buong kuda ni Kylie. I swear, I'm not naive, but I want my relationship to last forever, which is probably why I stay longer than I should. I just don't want to accept failure, but never for something that has passed expiry date. Might be impossible for the Aquarius women like you na walang karelasyon for that long, but it's better to focus more on your kids and career muna sa 2025 than finding or having a love life. Try to have a strong goal like winning an acting award this year? Why not, diba? I understand your physical needs, but don't be in a relationship because of it. Exactly the goal. A lot of women are single because they elevated their standards. Can't blame them for that. Cut it before any ties form. You know yourself, so be smarter. It's okay not to know all the answer at once. Time and trust will tell. Si Kylie Nicole Sicangco Padilla ay isang artista sa Pilipinas. Siya ay anak ng aktor na si Robin Padilla. Ipinanganak noong January 25, 1993 sa Calatagan,